Let's understand strict mode in JavaScript. Strict mode in JavaScript allows us to option into a strict set of rules and behaviors for writing JavaScript code. Suppose here this a is a variable equals 100, and I print this by document.write a equals a, and it print the value of a. But as per programming standard, a variable must be declared and then use. But here a is a variable which is not declared and directly I use it. In many programming language it is not possible to use a variable without declaration, but in JavaScript it is possible to use a variable without declaration. Like here I use this variable without declared. But in real-world projects it will work, but as per standard rule we should not make it work, so for that we turn on strict mode. Here for turn on strict mode, we write like this, inside double or single quote, use strict. In JavaScript so many things work, which is not work in other programming language, which make the code standard violation. And here if I turn on strict mode, then if write anything not as per standard, then it shows error. Now here after turn in strict mode it shows error, a is not defined. If I not use strict mode it doesn't give any error, but in strict mode it give me error. After turn on strict mode, I must be declare the variable then use it. Here first I declare the variable let a, then use it, now it doesn't give any error. We can enable strict mode by global level or by function level. This is for global level. If we write use strict at the beginning of the script, it is enabled for whole script. But we can also enable for a specific block of code. Here this is a function show number. Inside this function I use a variable x equals 50, and for print this, document.write x equals x, and then call the function. It shows the output. But if I enable strict mode inside this function, then it show error, x is not defined. Here I remove strict mode, but still use strict mode inside this function, so by this it only work for this function, not for the whole script. Like here for this outside of function, it doesn't give any error and show the output, but for this it shows error. So here global level work for both inside the function and outside the function. But function level only work inside the function, not outside the function.